how to make invisible buttons on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add images or invisible or transparent buttons within Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to be on the dashboard of the website. We're going to head over the button of edit or design site, and then we're going to be on the website itself. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be very easy. We're going to select a section that we're going to add the button for. So I'm going to head over the left side of the screen, click on Add Elements. Now we're going to select Buttons and select the type of the button that we want. For example, I'm going to add this blue button. Here we have our button. We can go ahead and click on the design, and it is going to let you here customize your button as you can see. So this is going to be the regular button, also the hover. Now the hover is going to be where you are going to have the mouse or the cursor hovering above the button. So we are going to make it here as, let's say, not transparent, but basically on the regular, we can go ahead and click on the background fills, and we're going to make it, as you can see here, the background is going to be transparent. And for the text, we're going to have the text, so we can go ahead and select the highlight color or the text color. So we are going to make it like this, and on the hover it is going to be showing up here the background fills as a color that you're going to choose, for example like that. Now I'm going to let you see this. So this is the button. I'm going to click on save. We're going to click on preview, and we're going to see the difference right there. So this is the button or the part of the text. When I hover the button above it, it is going to show up the button like that. So that is going to be a transparent button. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.